You ever look back on like why did we do things as because we were young children back
Literally.
then.
Jason's gonna be 4 years old here soon, guys.
Bro, I'm 32.
Yeah.
I got
knocking on the door.
Oh my god. I got 8 years before that shit, alright? What's going on, guys? Welcome to another Chase and Yummi adventure season. I am Chase.
And I'm Yummi.
Guys, this is the show where we ride around on our supermotos and try to have an adventure because friendship. And if it wasn't for a couple sponsors, we wouldn't have been able to do this season. Yummi, who is this season sponsored by?
Those sponsors being Revzilla, Senna, and Rock.
Ta-da! Without those sponsors, guys, we would not be able to have a motorcycle, have communication, or anything like that. So, if you want to check out any of the gear we have on, or these Bluetooth devices that allow us to talk together, or these really dope helmets that look cool, all those links are going to be down in the description. Without further ado, we got some stupid shit to get to, so let's get into the episode. Let's do it! Yay, friendship!
Just want to point it out that Chase just turned me on. Like my GoPro. What are you guys thinking? Get your mind out of the gutter.
I love how you're
Jesus
like,
Christ.
I would just like to make it official.
I don't know what anybody else is thinking. I'm talking about the GoPro. Y'all out here thinking dirty shit. Ah.
Speaking of dirty shit, guess where we are, everyone?
Snowmobile, Georgia.
In case you guys don't know, so we're officially on day 2 of the comeback series. Whoop whoop, successful day 1. For you guys that didn't know, our adventure series started here in Snellville because Yummi and I were roomies.
We sure were, and we're gonna go by. I think we already showed you guys. I'm actually like 90% sure we did, but it's not gonna hurt to show you again. And I don't think we showed you guys in the adventure series. I think we showed you on some like random vlog.
You like my tail?
Well, if you pull it to the front, I think it's more like your penis. That's what you're gonna have.
No. This is my dragon tail for my dragon hands.
Yeah,
hold on.
Now it's a penis. And now you're sticking your penis into your bike.
I'm not gonna be able to do this.
Oh, God. Get in the hole! Almost straight. Oh, no. Hold on.
I'm gonna get a cramp. Oh my god. I ate too much sushi. You can't make me laugh like that.
Alright, but anyways, yeah, so we're gonna go by our old house. How long ago was that? That'd have been what, 4 years ago?
I don't know, something like that.
It had to be at least 4 or 5 years.
All I know, Yummi, is that custom helmet you have from Ruroc looks great.
I would say yours is custom, but they make a red one, so yours looks great too.
Say something about my cool Senna.
Oh, your cool Senna 50S, which I can hear you super crispy, is awesome.
Oh.
Also, I got to point out something from Revzilla. That jersey you're wearing.
We match very well.
We do, but that jersey makes you look real thick.
In a good way, though, right?
With 2 C's, not a CK. That means it's
okay.
good.
Are you ready to start this? My bike is my bike's not being held together very well, but that's okay.
Let's do this. So, we don't... Okay, that's how we're starting. That's fine. That's fine. It's private property.
Oh my god, these people can't drive. Oh wait, we gotta get this way.
So I think we know how to get to the house. Wait, what are you doing?
It's definitely this way.
Oh, okay. Here we go. That's a big ass curve, guys.
That's a big ass boy.
That's a big ass boy. Oh god, I'm in neutral.
So, it's definitely not this way. Wait, what is this way?
It's a wheelie spot, that's what it is.
That's a good point. Oh, wait, that's where we just were. Shit, we could have just gone this way.
Oh
right.
my...
It's okay, everything's okay, everything's fine, everything's fine.
I can't U-turns like you can, I'm not as flexible. There we go.
Flexible? What happened to me being the thick one?
You are the thick one. Excuse me!
Oh wait, you're a cop.
No, technically, here's a fun fact. If it's a private road, like parking lots, when you're doing wheelies in parking lots, there's nothing illegal about that.
So I can go to that parking lot and do a wheelie?
Correct.
Well, if I'm technically able to do the
Correct,
wheelie.
you could. However, you could be criminally trespassed from the property. The people that own the property could call the police, and the police could come and they could be like, hey, I want them criminally trespassed from the property. So...
Do you want to go test all this?
No.
Okay, cool.
I don't want that type of attention.
I didn't know if you know where we were going with this. I'll take that as a fun fact of the day. You should probably say, but don't listen to me, and I'm not liable for any of the trouble you get in, maybe.
Oh yeah, that line exactly. Do not don't trust anything I'm
Lazy.
saying. Yeah.
Are we gonna get a turn arrow?
Oh, no run bikes. That's
Do it anyway. By the way, guys, the Snowville, fun fact, is an hour away, so we had to take these fucking supermotos an hour on the highway to get to this godforsaken town.
It wasn't that bad, but it could have been really bad. But can we just point out the fact that that's a car wash? What
Tommy's got it going.
Tommy's mom has got it going on. Oh wait, that's not the...
Dude, it's got a drive-in.
Bro, they have
Holy
an app.
shit. If this video gets 1 million views, we'll both ride through a car wash.
Deal. Shake on it.
No.
Shake on it!
Not.
Million views. Million views. No, that's not a shake. You just got it right there.
My hand's broken. It doesn't count.
Million views. If this video gets it, somehow me and Chase will ride through a car wash on motorcycles.
We're not going to be able to go through a car wash like that because that's automated, but we'll go through a car wash.
No, it's definitely going to be an automated one. We're going to get smacked in the face with a goddamn with a Squidward thingy.
With a Squidward thingy. Well, it has to, and also it has to be in the summertime. I'm not doing that in the winter.
Oh God, my brakes are awful.
Are they that bad? God dang, son.
I don't know.
No! I don't even know what to do with this. Are you serious?
Give it to me. Let me see. I can look at it and see how to fix it.
Are you gonna...
Okay, what does the end look like?
Broke, bro. Broke. Look. Something just fell out. Why is my bike falling to pieces now? No! No! I don't even...
I think you're my guy.
No, my dragon... I'm gonna disconnect my dragon hands if I grab it.
No, don't.
No!
It's gone, bro.
So now I don't have a brake light. I don't have any mirrors.
You need to get... Look at these things. Look at these babies.
Can I have one?
I don't think that's how it works. They have to go into like here or something.
You got holes! I got holes in different area codes.
What?
Oh no, now my bike won't get in neutral. No, we're good, we're good.
You said you had holes in different area codes?
It's a song, right? Bye, Mira.
I don't think so. That's a song?
And if we don't get 10,000... And if we don't get...
Look! He's making the blue lights!
Oh my fucking God.
Dude, since when did Snowball put a cool tree up? Look at this.
What a beautiful place.
What? Were we not worthy?
No. You think we're gonna get through this entire day without me getting a ticket for no brake light?
Yes. No. Because if you get pulled over, I'm gonna snitch so quick.
I'm gonna snitch so quick.
You're gonna be like, so what are you guys doing today? Riding, he has no brake light.
Also, opposite, I would like to point out, he also doesn't have any mirrors.
Yep, he actually littered and threw it on the middle of the road. I've seen it.
I have proof that I did not. I think our old house is this way.
Yeah, it's like right next to a Walgreens or something like that.
It's a Walgreens and like a QT.
The State Farm engine's still here.
How the hell do you remember these things?
Because it's like little things. Look, Asian Max is still here.
Dude, I did the most I could to forget as much of this as possible.
I mean, but once you get here, it's easier. Remember, Mellow Mushroom's still there?
You act like we've been gone for a decade. All right, QT. I was right. It is a QT. This is where we take a right, ladies and gentlemen.
At the CVS Pharmacy.
This is our old stomping ground.
Hey, you remember like when I moved here the first time, like that kid that worked for the CVS was like, "Hey, I know who you are," and I'm like, "Wow, this escalated quickly."
I know. 1 mile from the fucking house we lived at.
All right, here we go. Let's see if I don't remember what this neighborhood was called. Do you?
I don't either. I don't either.
Oh,
so
God.
we take a left. Right. Oh, okay. So.
Oh, Lakeview? No, that's not what it was called. They changed the name. Nah.
Bro, this looks old as fuck. It must have been called Lakeview this whole time.
Really?
Hey!
There
It's the old place. Look at it. Let's see what they did to it.
Did they decorate it? Oh, they did decorate it. Someone does live there.
Look at that. Oh, somebody's home. We gotta be careful. Still got the white picket fence.
Yep, still got the ugly ass broken fence.
Are those surfboards?
For everyone that was
bro,
curious.
they got like paddle boards and shit, bro. How long are we gonna do this little sketchy ride around in circles?
I don't know, but it doesn't look like old guy still lives here. He doesn't have his truck anymore.
Yeah,
that's where me and Chase used to live. That's where my a couple like big things for my channel at least that I can think of. That's where I got Kappa. Okay. That's
sorry.
fine. It's fine. And that's also where I started my Twitch channel, which I still do to this day.
So you guys can basically thank me for all of that.
Absolutely not. Because Chase made me move my setup because he tried to do Twitch once and it just didn't work out. But I still had to move my setup.
It definitely did not.
Jackass. He's gonna go.
I almost got in a wreck because of you.
Idiot. Here comes the wheelie. Yep, I knew it. Wow, best one in 2 days. Look at you.
I think that was the best one in 2 days.
That was
Wait,
definitely
hold
the
on,
best
hold on,
one.
pause. Abandoned Warzone is to the right?
We forgot. We didn't tell him that yet, did we?
What?
We're going to the abandoned Warzone. We didn't
We're
tell him.
gonna attempt because we don't know how to fucking get there.
Yeah, so if you guys remember the original episodes, Abandoned Warzone, that's where like
That's
it all
where we got
started.
chased by the white truck. The original, the original viral video that it launched it all.
Yep, and wasn't the wheelie spot somewhere up here on the right?
I don't know. We're gonna find out. Go.
Okay. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool history of the Yummi and Chaseness here.
We figured for a comeback tour, we needed to go to the origin. If the abandoned Warzone has added any security to make it so we can't do what we did last time.
After our shenanigans, I'm willing to say there's probably something.
We may need to get taped today because I don't know if that fairing is going to stay.
Okay, so let me get this straight. You don't have a brake light. You don't have a mirror. And the fairing's about to fall off.
To be fair, yeah, look at it. Oh, look at it. Hold on, look at this fairing.
You are a literal idiot.
Bro, on the highway here, I was like, dude, it might fly off. Look at it. Look at it.
Oh, no! Stayed up. Let's go!
Now we gotta focus. I know somewhere up here, we have to take a left.
To the left, to the left, to the left. Slow down, he's got radar. Slow down, he's probably got radar.
Who's got radar?
Just kidding, it's not an undercover car. Keep going!
Wait. This might be where we turn left. Oh, I don't have a mirror, so I can't see the cars behind me.
Wait.
Oh, we're f***ed.
Wait.
Oh, no.
Okay, go after red. Go after red. Ah! I'm good.
I really hope this is the turn. Yes, I'm pretty sure. Okay.
Oh my god, I thought we were turning back here.
No! We're turning at the right! What are you doing? Wait, the wheelie spot is actually behind all of this.
Oh yeah, that's right! Because those are the people
still undeveloped.
Also guys, if you don't remember, the wheelie spot that we keep referencing, that's where we, Chase kind of like taught me to wheelie way back in the day.
Back in the day.
There was old videos back there. It's also where like we all met up. What was that, like a Georgia Motovlog meetup that when everybody come over?
Dude, I don't know what it was, but there was we had like a load of people over there.
Yeah, and that's when the cops got called on us just because we were loud.
Oh, right, because we had 2 people in fucking Jeeps.
If I remember, the cop wrote Jake a ticket, did he not?
I don't remember.
I'm pretty sure Jake
I know a lot of
fake.
people bolted, and then I was left there with Heather.
Yeah, I
wasn't going to leave them.
I
in
was
the Jeep
still there.
or
I never ran from the cops, never going to. I was still there the whole entire time. But I'm pretty sure Jake got a ticket.
All I know is this looks right so far, because I remember the little, like, an elementary school or something on this route.
Yeah.
So I think we're good so far.
So we are currently on our journey to find the abandoned Warzone. Not sure if we're gonna find it. Chase is
every
taking
time
us
you say
somewhere.
abandoned Warzone, you have to say abandoned Warzone.
So tell me, Chase, is it straight down this road? Hello, same tax bracket. Or is it straight down this road? Or what's going on here, Chase? Huh?
Yes, I think it's straight down this road.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I think you're wrong.
We do go straight. We do go straight because there was one time that we were. Oh shit! Go! Turn. Come on.
I think there's a Waffle House somewhere around here. There's got to be a Waffle House here.
Oh,
yes!
you're right.
Damn, I'm good.
So where did we run from the white truck thing?
We came down from here, remember? And then we came down and we took a right and darted back. I remember that specifically.
Oh, because we turned to get away and then we realized that was the wrong way.
And in the video, you see us take our right turn right here. And we headed back to the wheelie spot, and then we got to the wheelie spot and we sat down. I remember turning right here specifically when the guy was following us.
You ever look back on like why did we do things because we were young children back
literally.
there.
Jason's gonna be 4 years old here soon, guys.
Bro, I'm 32.
Yeah.
I got
knocking on the door.
Oh my god. I got 8 years before that shit, alright? Not gonna lie, stuff is not looking as familiar anymore.
I did not remember passing the police precinct. When did
Oh,
we pass
dude,
the
no. That's
police
brand new. That's brand new.
What?
Probably.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Look at it. It looks clean and shit.
Okay, yeah, well, I'm gonna keep following you because
right.
I do remember turning here.
Okay, thank you. Thank
Hey,
you.
We got a
My
slight issue.
God.
Hello?
Oh, wait. No, that definitely wasn't it. Maybe it was here. Maybe it was here.
Oh god. Oh god.
I said that with so much confidence.
Alright,
Oh no, I missed 2. No!
So just asking, are you still like confident where we're at? Because oh wait, I remember a fire
Yes,
department.
it's right up here to the right.
That's right, I remember the fire
Yes!
department.
I was right. Made the record show I was not wrong.
We found it! Everybody, welcome back to We Are Back in the
Warzone! Wait,
Turning.
Fuck! Grab one now! Oh, yummy!
Wow, what a cliffhanger! If there even is one.
There should be if we did our job correctly. Guys, that is the end of the episode. If you want to watch more of it, we will have a playlist for the Chase and Yummy series down below. That is the best way to not miss a single one of the shenanigans that we get into. If you enjoy this video,
have so much content that you could watch. You could watch it for an entire weekend of not working.
absolutely. So if you enjoyed this video, also do the YouTube thing and hit that like button. And make sure to be subscribed to Yummy and my channel, Chase on Two Wheels. All of the info will be down in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!